Hey, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I've got another Google Ads quick tip for you today. So one of the tools we find that a lot of advertisers really underutilize is Google's Policy Manager. And the Policy Manager can be found in your Google Ads account under Tools and Settings, under Setup, and it's the second item right here. So I'm already in Policy Manager. And so what this tool does is it advises you on various ad and asset disapprovals. It could also be keywords, basically any element in your account that is disapproved or is approved but limited. So it's an easy way to find potential issues with your account that need to be fixed. Um, and importantly, Google does not send email notifications when there are policy issues. So, things can happen in your account that you're not aware of, and unless you go take a deep dive or notice that performance has changed a lot on a particular campaign or ad group, you may miss it. And the big one really would be an ad that is completely disapproved, which would stop an ad group from running, or a URL not working. And that would again prevent that ad from running, even though the ad is approved. And that one actually happens a lot. If Google momentarily can't reach your website, it may flag that ad, and of course you won't get a notice, and you're just going to find that all of a sudden that whole ad group is not serving anymore. And unless you go dig into it, maybe you have 20 ad groups in that campaign. If you're looking at the campaign level, you may not even realize. So again, if you come in a policy manager, you're going to see all of these issues, and so it's easy to troubleshoot. And then you can just go through each of these and you can click through to view each one of those elements. That'll be filtered for the disapproved items. And as you go through and fix those or appeal them, they will mostly be removed from here. And if you're in a process of appeal, again, it will give you a status. However, there is some issues with this tool, and the biggest issue I find is that it often does not clear items that you fix. So if you fix a site link, for example, sometimes it just gets stuck and it will never go away. And sometimes if you delete that, it can remove the disapproval. But we've even seen deleted assets that still stick around in Policy Manager. And that's a problem because if you're using this tool to diagnose issues and you're routinely in here and you keep seeing these issues and you have to like go then open up those assets, you waste a lot of time trying to solve a problem that no longer exists. So hopefully that will be something that Google will fix in the future. But in the meantime, I do recommend whatever your regular optimization cadence is, if it's twice a week or once a week, always take a few seconds, open Policy Manager, see if there's anything new in here, troubleshoot it, and you'll keep your account clean, and you'll catch potentially major issues that could be preventing things from serving. So that's it for today. I will see you next time.